Welcome back to another Buc-ee's construction update video on the channel. Today's Sunday, February 23rd, 2025. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, across the street from the construction site of the First Buc-ee's being built in Ohio. For the first time in a long time, we're going to do this talk outside. It's 40 degrees out here today, blue skies and sun, and after the weather we've had the last couple weeks, feels pretty good.
Yeah, it's a little breezy. Not bad.
I think Sonia'd probably rather be inside the car. But there's not a whole lot of visible changes this week, but we just wanted to keep the updates going so you can kind of follow along with the construction progress. See, work is continuing out at the building location. It's also continuing at the site of the fuel storage tanks. I think you can start to see a little bit of the work being done where the canopies are going to go for the fuel pumps. Now I'll put the site picture up from the groundbreaking to kind of show you what I'm talking about. So that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This is the section that I mentioned earlier that looks like the beginning stages of the outlines of the canopies that will be used for the fuel pumps. The longer canopy is on the north side and the shorter canopy is on the south side.